Thankfully today the rain has held off. It was forecast rain all day actually here, but thankfully that's not happened. So the guys have been able to crack on and get a first coat of white paint over the non-skid deck there. So yeah, excellent job guys, well done. They've put the first coat of paint on over the sand, well the non-skid deck, but yeah, it's going to need a second coat for sure. For your information guys, this is not varnish, this is actually an automotive top coat clear or lacquer. Here in Southeast Asia, because of the strong UV rays, normal varnish outside just doesn't last. So we always go with the automotive clear lacquer. Yeah, that'll protect it and it'll last for years. So good tip for you there. Yes, the cockpit area is looking nice and splendid now in this nice new white. It's lovely. Nice job, Florenti.
Yeah.
The guys have finished the non-skid. It's not an easy job trying to get this to blend in smooth and even. The boys have done the best they can, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm happy with it. At least now it's grippy, whereas before, when it was wet, it was like an ice rink. It was very dangerous. In fact, Randy went over on his ass a couple of times. So he did. But no, she's looking absolutely fantastic. Good job, guys. So the guys are doing some final sanding of the hull before they apply the first coat of white. So yeah, she's looking very nice. Okay, so we've made some adjustments to the forward hatch. It didn't quite fit this morning, so we're going to give it a second try. And what do you think, Rad? Still tight? Still more to come off? Okay, so there's a minor adjustment that's required. I think to just take maybe a couple of pubic hairs off certain parts should be good. What do you reckon there, Rand?
Still a bit more here.
Give it a slidey.
Okay, it's okay.
Ahoy there, Captain!
She looks more pretty now, huh?
For sure, she looks lovely. So, Florenti's now applying the first coat of white. Here we have the floating compressor. So what's going on here? Unfortunately, but not unexpected, the last hatch that the sawmill made for us, let's just say it was not up to the same standard as the first one that they made. Quite frankly, it's turned out to be a complete piece of shit. Not happy. They used some old piece of plywood here full of bloody holes. Just a piece of shit. As always in this country, it's very, very difficult to find quality. Quality does not exist here, unfortunately. So what Randy's going to do is he stripped it out. We're going to renew this plywood with a new piece, and we're going to make some modifications to this one hatch. So yeah, anyway, unfortunately that does happen here, but I guess it happens elsewhere too. I'm not sure. I mean, it looks okay with the small slat in the middle, but sorry, but try and put it on the end. I think it looks better like that.
I think,
Yeah, that's my preference. So we go with that.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, good job. That's a better job than the damn sawmill. So this morning, doing something different. We're doing a hydrostatic test on a couple of steel scuba cylinders for a client of ours. So yeah, stick around. So I've pumped that to 100 bar. I'm going to hold this for 10 seconds just to make sure no pressure drops off, and providing no pressure drops off, we will continue up to 4,400 psi or 336 bar. Okay, that looks good. We shall continue pumping. Okay, we've now reached 4,400 psi. I'm going to hold this for 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. It's good. So that completes the testing of the client's steel cylinder scuba tanks. I've already done the calculations, and the client will be pleased to know that they've passed. They came in at 9%, which is 10% the maximum of allowable expansion on these cylinders. So yeah, 9%, that's good. So I'll get them all marked up and give them a call. Well, even though Chasamba's had one coat of white paint, Florent is not 100% happy with the outcome. So he's put on some extra body filler in places where he feels that it's needed. So now she's white with pink patches. Florent is now spraying on the second coat of white. Once the white has all been completed, then they'll put on a lacquer, or a top coat as they call it here. And then once that's all dry, completed, they will then buff it up to a nice shine. Hopefully that'll be finished next week. So we're going to take a look at Florent and Elma's handiwork here. This will be the first full coat of white paint. Yeah, she's looking absolutely fantastic. She's even got a shine already. Hi guys, well that's been another quick week here. They seem to be getting quicker and quicker. As you've seen on the video, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Chasamba's makeover nearly there. Hopefully next week she should be done and dusted for the actual makeover. But the work doesn't stop there, of course. There's still a lot of other outstanding things to do while she's in the wet dry dock, so to speak. I'd like to say a big thank you to our Patreons and all our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, hit the button please. Doesn't cost anything and you'll be doing us a big favour. So yeah, hope everyone's keeping safe out there. Our Liz is not here today. Well, she is, but she's not feeling too well today, so I'm on my own. And of course Randy's away out staying with his bird. Love. So, but apart from that, all's quiet in the hood. Look forward to next week. Hopefully, as I say, get the painting finished and hopefully start installing the A-frame, the back platform and a couple other bits and pieces. Oh, hopefully next week we'll put the name on, Chasamba, on the stern. So looking forward to that. That'll be time to crack open a wee bottle, I think, when the name goes on. So look forward to that. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video guys. Any questions, drop us a line. Technical questions, try and help you out best I can. And yeah, stay safe, look after each other, and we'll see you next week. Slange.